Mr. Murthy, a unregistered person and a resident of Pune, service of MS Sun Limited, an event management company registered in Delhi. An organization that a new product launch in Bangalore. So Bangalore, the product is launched, and the person is unregistered person of Pune, higher service of New Delhi. So the organization is launched in Bangalore. Determine the place of supply of Mrs. Yasan, and what would be the answer in the case a product launch takes place in Bangkok. And what would you answer to be that Mr. Moth is a registered person and product launch is placed in Bangalore and Bangkok? Mr. Question. Sun Limited provided services in Bangalore. So the case is he is even resident in Pune. Bangalore is a service. First thing is supply of is Bangalore. Second thing is if the case takes place in Bangkok, if it takes place in Bangkok, the supply is unregistered person. Then the supply of service is in Bangkok, but the supply recipient is in Pune. So IGST it's to Pune. If the case of Bangkok and Pune, based upon the time duration, Bangalore and Bangkok, Bangalore registered person Bangalore place and Bangkok, it will be in the rest of Pune. So the given question based on the section 129 IGST Act, which provide determine the place of business and provided by way of assigning the sponsorship with the recipient or supplier in India. The place of supply is as follows: if the recipient if the recipient is a service unregistered person, the event is held in India. Then the place of supply is place in the event is place where the event is actually held. That is Bangalore. Correct. Second, if the recipient of service is an unregistered person and the event is held outside India, the place of supply is a supply in a location of recipient that is Pune. So, the recipient of service is a registered person and the place of supply is location of such person Pune in the both the cases where the product is launched in Bengaluru and Bangkok. Okay. Third thing we misunderstood both, but Bengaluru and Bangkok will be considered as Pune only. Mm. Mahendra Goyal, an interior decorator, provides professional services to Mr. Harish Jain in relation to two or more mobile property. I can put each video each, no? That will be good. How will you feel each questions on video? I'll try.